Sermon number 39. In disparagement of those who shrink from fighting. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I am faced with men who do not obey when I order and do not respond when I call them. May you have no father. Woe to you, what are you waiting for to rise for the cause of Allah? Does not faith join you together, or sense of shame rouse you? I stand among you shouting and I am calling you for help, but you do not listen to my word, and do not obey my orders, till circumstances show out their bad consequences. No blood can be avenged through you and no purpose can be achieved with you. I called you for help of your brethren but made noises like the camel having pain in stomach, and became loose like the camel of thin back. Then a wavering weak contingent came to me from amongst you, as if they are being led to death and they are only watching.